Morning, dear students. How are all of you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at your homes. So, dear students, today we will start with the revision of our English literature. And in English literature, we will be today revising our first chapter, that is Pippi Goes to the Circus. Okay. First of all, we will discuss the word meanings. I am sure all of you have the word meanings with you. You can open up your notebooks and you can read with me, and you can also understand the meanings. I will clear them to you. So first word is extraordinarily. Extraordinarily, something which is very different as compared to others, and its meaning is remarkable. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जो हमारे दिमाग में रह जाती है, बहुत डिफरेंट चीज़ जो हमें हमेशा याद रह जाती है. ठीक है. Then permission means to grant permission somebody to do something, allowance or to allow to do something, or consent, right? Then clutching means to hold something tightly, किसी चीज़ को कस के पकड़ना. ठीक है. Then hurt means to cause pain, किसी को किसी तरह का नुकसान पहुंचाना means health wise we can say. और हम hurt वैसे भी अगर कई बार अपसेट हो जाए तो भी हम ये वर्ड यूज करते हैं, to cause pain और इंजरी, किसी को चोट लग जाए. Then also we can say hurt. Okay. Troll is a word in your story. A cave dwelling creature as a giant. It's a cave dwelling creature who lives in the caves, and it can also look like a giant. Giant means very huge in appearance. Okay. Then goggling means to look at something with wide open eyes. Okay. Looking with wide open eyes, right? And then marvelous, something which is extremely good. Okay. Then astonishment when we are very much surprised. So great surprise. Spilled word is used. Suppose your glass is filled with water and you keep on filling it and the water overflows, and और कई बार अगर गिर जाए नीचे तो हम उसके लिए यूज करते हैं spilled word. तो its meaning is caused to overflow. Then we have sawdust. Sawdust is a kind of thing. It's powdery particles of the wood. कई बार जब वुड को कटिंग की जाती है, वुड की कोई मशीन में उसको थ्रेशिंग की जाती है तो वो पाउडरी पार्टिकल्स छोड़ती है. तो these are the sawdust means the powdery particles of wood. Then comes the word careless. Careless, you must have most oftenly heard about this word careless. You are very careless, right? Some children are careless in their studies, some are careless in other things. So we call it irresponsible, or someone who is not serious. Okay. Then swishing means moving very quickly through the air. Swishing. Okay. Disappointed means sometimes we feel disappointed at something. We are very sad when something does not happen according to our expectations. Then we say we are disappointed. It's sad or displeased. Okay. Annoyed means when we are angry, we are annoyed at something. So it means slightly angry. Shrugged means ignored or disregarded. Sometimes we express to disregard someone like this. We give such kind of gestures to take our shoulders up like this. So shrugged means ignored or disregarded. So we have discussed the word meanings, and you can revise the sentences of these words. Okay. And now we will be discussing the question answers, the read, reflect, write, which and the reference to context extracts. Okay, which I have already sent you, and I am sure you must have noted those down in your notebooks. So I will be revising those, and you can listen to them carefully, and I will be explaining them also. The first extract was about clutching over to Pippi, and the first question in this was, who rushed over to Pippi's? If you have listened to the story carefully, you must be very well aware of it. Who rushed over to Pippi's means Pippi के पास कौन भाग कर गया था. तो आंसर क्या है? टॉमी एंड अनिका. Who rushed over to Pippi's? Tommy and Anika rushed over to Pippi's, right? Then second question was, what were they clutching? Means what were they holding tightly in their hands? They were clutching money. Why were they holding money? Because they want to see the circus show. So they were clutching money given by their father to see the circus show. Now, third question of first extract is, what word would you use to describe how they were feeling? So, which word in this given extract expresses that how they were feeling? They were feeling very excited. Okay. Then third extract, on a platform nearby, the circus band suddenly began to play a thundering march. Now, first question is, who had gone to circus? We all know who had gone to circus. Pippi, Tommy and Anika had gone to the circus. So, three persons were there. Pippi, Tommy and Anika had gone to the circus. Then, where were they sitting? So, where were they sitting if you have read in the story? Answer is, they were sitting on some beautiful रेड चेयर्स राइट नेक्स्ट टू द रिंग. रिंग वो जो सर्कस का जिसमें शो होता है उसके बिल्कुल साथ ही जो रेड कलर की चेयर्स पड़ी थी उन पे बैठी थी. देन थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट हैपेंड एज सून एज द मार्च स्टार्टेड? मार्चिंग मीन्स इकट्ठे बैंड के साथ आना, राइट? So as soon as the march started, the curtain in front of the performers' entrance was drawn aside. Curtain क्या होता है? ये जो पर्दे टंगे होते हैं. तो आपने देखा होगा कभी भी कोई सर्कस शो होता है या कोई भी और हम शो देखने जाते हैं, मैजिक शो. So the curtains are hanging there. So before starting the show, the curtain is set aside, right? So as soon as the march started, the curtain in front of the performers' entrance was drawn aside. Means वो पर्दे जो है एक तरफ को खींच लिए गए थे. And the ringmaster came running into the ring, followed by a coal black horse. So the ringmaster was riding on the horse, not riding on the horse. He was followed by a coal black horse. Means the horse was dark black in color. Okay. Then next extract. But the ringmaster did not laugh. Okay. Now first part is, who laughed? Why did they laugh? So who laughed? The audience. We all know. The audience laughed as they thought it was funny to see lovely Miss Carmencita held against her will by a little girl, Pippi. So Pippi was just doing funny things with Carmencita. So this made all the audience laughed at that point of time. Whatever Carmencita wanted to do, Pippi was not letting her do. So the answer is, the audience laughed as they thought it was funny to see lovely Miss Carmencita held against her will by a little girl, Pippi, who stood there on horseback. तो पिपी कहाँ पर जाकर बैठ गई थी? वो उस काले घोड़े के ऊपर जाकर बैठ गई थी. Which was a kind of funny. Why do you think that the ringmaster didn't laugh? क्यों लगता है कि ringmaster नहीं हंसा होगा? Answer: the ringmaster didn't laugh because it was not funny for him. उसको ये चीज़ funny नहीं लगी. To see Pippi spoiling his circus show, क्योंकि पिपी जो है उसका सारा circus show जो है उसको spoil कर दिया था उसने एक तरह से, right? What did the ringmaster do next? उसके बाद ringmaster ने क्या किया? The ringmaster asked an attendant to go and stop the horse. तो ringmaster ने अपना एक attendant भेजा और उसने घोड़े को रोकने के लिए बोला. ठीक है? Then we have read, reflect and write. The first question for this is, it's question number 5, but read, reflect, writes first question. Why did Pippi jump onto horse? Did she realize that she was doing something wrong? Give reason for your answer. Sorry. तो क्यों पिपी जो है वो घोड़े पर उसने जंप किया? Answer is, Pippi jumped onto the horse because it was a great fun for her. उसके लिए ये मस्ती का टाइम था. It was a great fun for her. No, she did not realize that she was doing something wrong. उसको इसमें कुछ भी गलत नहीं लगा because she thought that she had paid money and she can do whatever she wants to do. right? Then sixth question is, if you were a friend of Pippi's and you had taken her to the circus, how would you have felt seeing her standing on the horse? So answer would be, means in question it is asked कि अगर मैं पिप्पी की जगह पर होती, ठीक है, and मैं सर्कस पे गई होती, and how would you have felt, right? So answer is, if I were a friend of Pippi, मीन्स सॉरी, अगर मैं पिप्पी के फ्रेंड की जगह पे होती, ये क्वेश्चन है, आंसर है इफ आई वर अ फ्रेंड ऑफ पिपीज एंड आई हैड टेकन हर टू द सर्कस, आई वुड हैव शॉक्ड एंड फेल्ट एम्बैरेस्ड टू सी हर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द हॉर्स। अगर हम अपने साथ किसी ऐसे फ्रेंड को ले जाए जो वहाँ पर जाके सारा शो स्पॉइल कर दे, वो अपना ही फन करना शुरू कर दे, जो लोगों को हंसाए, मतलब लोगों को मजबूर कर दे, तो वी विल रियली फील एम्बैरेस्ड to see such kind of thing. So answer is, if I were a friend of Pippi's and I had taken her to the circus, I would have shocked and felt embarrassed. Embarrassed means बहुत ही शर्म महसूस करना, okay, to see her standing on the horse. Then next is, why did the guards shrug their shoulders and walk away at the end of the story? तो क्यों वो जो गार्ड्स थे वो क्यों हार मान कर चले गए वहाँ से? द गार्ड्स श्रग देयर शोल्डर्स एंड वॉक्ड अवे एट द एंड बिकॉज दे ट्राइड हार्ड टू रिमूव पिपी फ्रॉम द सर्कस बट दे कुड नॉट डू सो। उन्होंने बहुत ट्राई किया कि पिपी जो है वो वहाँ से चली जाए, उनका शो जो है वो ख़राब ना हो, बट वो इस चीज़ में सक्सेसफुल नहीं रह पाए, सो दे कुड नॉट डू सो। In what way do you think is Pippi different from most children and in same as most other children? आपको क्या लगता है, क्यों लगता है कि पिपी जो है कुछ बच्चों से थोड़ी अलग है और कुछ बच्चों के जैसी ही है? So Pippi was different from the most of the children because she was brave, funny, and she was strong, and she had grown up at sea. And she did not know much about life on land. जो पिपी थी वो क्यों दूसरों से अलग थी? Because she was brave and funny as well, and she was strong also. She was not scared of anyone. But she had grown up at sea. Unlike the other children, they are grown up on the land. So she did not know much about the life on the land. उसको लैंड की लाइफ के बारे में या लैंड के लोगों के बारे में ज़्यादा पता नहीं था. She was same like other children as she also wanted to have fun and to enjoy the circus show like the other children do. फिर वो भी दूसरे बच्चों के जैसे enjoy करना चाहती थी जैसे बाकी बच्चे करना चाहते हैं, and she also wanted to enjoy the circus show like the other children do. So dear students, please go through these questions, please revise all these questions and these word meanings at your home and make sentences also. So and prepare your revision assignments also, try to complete them. I will get back to you soon, so have a good day.